mason jar salads. Today we're doing a ranch, chicken, and bacon. So one of the first things I want to do is make my ranch dressing. So just really quick, I'm going to make a little bit of ranch dressing. That's the first thing that's going in the bottom of our jars. Now I'm doing mine in quart jars, but you do this by half and pint if you wanted. Now the greatest thing about these mason jar salads is that make a few up and you can have them in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days and your salad not get soggy and it's just there when you're ready for it. Maybe you're throwing a pork tenderloin on the grill and you've got this beautiful salad to go on the side. If you have like this one and you already have chicken in it, then you already have your protein and you're ready to go. Now you're always going to do your dressing into the bottom. And for me, in a quart-sized jar, I like about 1/4 cup. And then we're going to start layering. And the first thing that we're going to layer in here are things that are not going to get soggy sitting in our dressing. So I'm going to start with tomatoes and 1/2 cup of tomatoes per jar. And then I have some carrots here. I don't think in the recipe I have carrots written, but you know, it's your salad. You can put whatever you want in it. And I had some extra carrots, so I'm going to add some carrots. And then cucumbers, and again, about 1/2 cup of cucumbers. I have a red pepper here. I just did 1 red pepper. Next, we're going to add our lettuce, about 1 cup of lettuce. Now, I'm doing iceberg here, but romaine is good here too. You want those lettuces that are going to hold up well. And next, I'm going to go in with my proteins. And I'm doing grilled chicken breast here. And then I'm going to top that with some bacon. If you're doing cheeses, your cheeses you're going to want to add to the top. If you're doing nuts and seeds, you're going to want to add that in the top. I'm going to do some bacon. I think I cut too much, so they might get a lot of bacon. And then I'm going to add a little bit of shredded white cheddar. And I've run out of room, haven't I? Now, if you want to do croutons, I recommend that you do the croutons when you toss the salad. They will tend to get a little soggy in here. Or you could wrap them up in like some beeswax paper and put them in the top. But I think we've reached the top. Now, if you haven't filled yours up as much as I have, you can shake it to get all the dressing incorporated and everything. This is not going to shake because I filled it too full. So if you find yourself doing that, just take the lid off, put your bowl or your serving platter, turn it upside down, and once you lift that up, the dressing is just going to coat everything, and you're going to be ready to go. So these mason jar salads are just perfect for the summertime. You put them in the refrigerator, and whenever you need a quick lunch or dinner, there you have it in the fridge, just waiting for you. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.